So I'm going to start by giving you guys an overview of what my room looks like at the moment. So right here, I just have a few PR boxes of new makeup that I need to put away. This needs to be returned. This is the new Too Faced foundation that I thought I loved, but after realizing how oily it made me, I was like, absolutely not. I already have one. I don't need another one. So I need to go return this. I just don't have time today because today is my nephew's birthday. And so we're going to go out and celebrate here in my vanity. So this is my main area, right? This is where I just grab my makeup. And then here is where I will sit 99% of the time. I have some new makeup to put away from Frankie Rose Cosmetics. I have these little ice cubes that I got in PR. And then as you can see, it's just a mess. And I have purposely not put away anything in about a week, which has been driving me crazy. But I really wanted to film a clean my vanity beauty room with me. Also, if you guys can see over there, I have a bunch of boxes that need to be recycled. And then here, this is a little cart that I typically use to film with. So this is what I will use and bring with me anytime I'm going to film videos. This is where I sit down. This is my table. This is my filming equipment. I will use these little like bins and fill them up with the makeup that I'm going to use. So I have all the makeup that I've been using for the past week to film. So I need to clean this. And then here as well, I have all the makeup that I've been using. Lights. This is what I use to film my Instagram videos, and then makeup that just needs to be put away. My brushes need to be cleaned. As you can see, they are a little dirty. I don't know if I will have time for that today, but pretty much everything else is clean. This is where I sit down and edit my videos, do whatever. But yeah, so that is the overall view of the room. As you can see, it is just unorganized, messy, and needs to be cleaned. So with that said, grab your cafecito and let's start cleaning. So I like to use these little disinfecting wipes to pretty much wipe down almost anything except for the mirror or anything glass. This just removes excess makeup or stained from whatever. And this little cart I keep to, or I use it, I guess I should say, to keep all the new makeup that I get in PR. I get a few packages a week, and if I keep them at the top, it reminds me to use them, to reach for them, to test them out, or to create content for you guys. So anything that I am showing you right here is all new products, which I will be doing a full face. I just got a new box of Frankie Rose Cosmetics, and my foundation from Fit Me, I decided to throw it away because this is definitely over 4 years old and I am due for a new one. But if you guys want to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I just posted a new video using all Frankie Rose Cosmetics, and my discount code is OhMGlashes if you want to order. And as you can see, it looks nice and clean and organized, and we can try out new makeup now. I decided that I needed to finally clean the area where I keep all my perfumes. I love collecting them. These right here are a ton of the Britney Spears perfume, which I have still a few more to collect. And then I moved on to the second one. This one is just like random perfumes that I use or that I love. And so we also clean that. I am kind of like trying to clean out my perfume collection and get rid of some that I don't reach for at all. But of course, I had to make sure that everything was nice and clean. Now, this one is probably my favorite because this is where I keep all of my dossier perfumes. You guys know that I use them and talk about them all the time. They are a great alternative to luxury perfumes, and they literally smell the same. They don't all last the same, but for the price, you cannot go wrong. So I cleaned that, and then I finished at the very top. Here I have some Skylar perfumes, and then just some random ones, Ariana Grande and things like that. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite perfume that you own. And then on the bottom, I decided to use some body sprays that I just had laying around. I will probably be using these to make my room smell good, to be honest. So here is a little after, and I will throw in some before and after as well. I love how it looks, it feels, it looks clean, it smells clean. I love keeping my space nice and just like decluttered, because it just gives you so much freedom to create content, and it just keeps me motivated. So I would love to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for cleaning with me. I love you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.